This is a question again of CAT 2017, and let's have a look at this question. It says a ball of diameter 4 centimeter is kept on top of a hollow cylinder standing vertically. Height of the cylinder is 3 centimeter while the volume is 9 pi centimeter cube. And the vertical distance in centimeter of the topmost point of the ball from the base of the cylinder is what? So let's first imagine what they are saying. So this is a hollow cylinder, and the data that we have been given is height of the cylinder is 3 centimeter, right? Volume is 9 pi. Volume is 9 pi. But what is the formula of volume? Pi r square h, which is 9 pi. If you cancel pi, you get r square h is equal to 9. And h is what? 3. So 3r square is equal to 9. So r square is what? 3, and r is plus minus 3 because it cannot be minus, it is a radius. So r is 3 centimeters. So this particular radius, now we know, is 3. Moving on, as the question says a ball is kept above the cylinder. So let's visualize it. It will be kept somewhat like this, right? Some portion will be below the cylinder and the rest of it will be above the cylinder. And ball is of diameter 4 centimeter. So the radius, this is 2. Now, if you zoom this particular area, it will look like something like this. I'll try to draw it. This is the base of the cylinder. This is your ball. Okay. This is the center of the ball. This is the radius of the cylinder. Consider this particular triangle. If you just consider this particular triangle, what you will see is this is the radius. Let's just name it OPQ. So PQ is the radius of the ball or sphere, which is what? 2 centimeters. PQ is 2. OP we don't know. OP and OQ, sorry, OQ is root 3, because we had calculated, sorry, this was root 3. We had calculated the radius of cylinder to be root 3. Now this is a right angle triangle, OPQ, triangle OPQ. If you know about the Pythagoras pairs, so 1, root 3 and 2 is a Pythagoras pair. If you don't remember, that's completely fine. Just apply Pythagoras theorem. So you will get OP square plus OQ square is equal to PQ square. PQ is 2, this is 4, OQ is 3, root 3, this is 3, OP is OP square. So OP square would be 1 and OP would be 1. If you remember Pythagoras ratios, that would be triplets, that would be really good. 1, root 3, 2, or 3, 4, 5, or 5, 12, 13. So that would be good, right? So now we know OP is how much? 1. What have we been asked? Vertical distance of the topmost point of the ball from the base of the cylinder. So we have been asked essentially from here, this particular point to base of the cylinder, this. So till here is 3, we know 3, the cylinder, height of cylinder 3. From here to here, we just calculated it is 1. So this particular, from here to here, this is 1. And from here to above is basically the radius of the sphere, which is 2. So the total distance would be 6 centimeters, and because it is a theta question, you just enter 6. So the difficulty level, I would rate it as difficult, because you need to visualize a lot of things, and this will take a lot of time. So